Hi, I'm Seth Fenby from QE Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. This is a 2006 model Exmark 60-inch turf tracer with a 20 horsepower Kohler Command engine. We're going to start this machine and run it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. As you can tell, this machine starts right up and runs good. Now we're going to inspect the major components. The deck on the machine is in excellent shape. There's no cracks or welds. This machine was used with the spring tensioning system on these posts here, so that around these they wouldn't crack. The rest of the deck is in excellent shape. It has the rock deflector, floating 60-inch deck. Has a Kohler Command SP 20 horsepower engine with the Donaldson air filtration system to ensure a longer engine life. Hydraulic oil reservoir, gas tank. This is your ECS controls, 928 original hours on a working meter. Speed control, blade engagement, choke, throttle, and key switch. And these are your OPC, operator presence controls. Hydro pumps are in excellent shape. They are seeping a little bit of oil around the where the pumps come in half there. It's a little $2 seal. We have them in stock. We haven't put these on. The battery is in good shape, charges. Brand new rear tires. Has the zero flat front tires, which are in decent shape. So this machine is ready to put on the job. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thank you very much.